Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a new contact on HubSpot. A lead is a potential sales contact, an individual or organization that expresses an interest in your goods or services. Leads are typically obtained through the referral of an existing customer or through a direct response to advertising or publicity. There are a lot of ways in how we can obtain a lead. It may be on our website, on a trade show, or on any event or promotion that you had. Every lead that you obtain can be registered as a contact on HubSpot. With proper lead management, it can turn into a potential customer and can benefit the company in the future. But you need to know first how to input your lead on HubSpot. So let us walk you through on how to do that. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Log into your HubSpot account first at www.hubspot.com. Once you're in, click the Contacts tab and select Contacts on the drop-down. On the Contacts page, click the orange Create Contact button located at the top right. A Create Contact form should show up. The email, first name, and the last name are required fields, so you need to fill them up. The company name, website URL, registration action, and the phone number are optional. Choose the type of lifecycle stage. Indicate what type of lead this contact is. Select the lead status as well. Indicate the referral or on where you had acquired the lead. Once you're done, click the Create Contact button below to save it. You should see the profile of your created contact. You can leave an internal note for this contact, set up some tasks, do a callback, and you could also see the activity done with this account. So that's it! That's how you create a new contact on HubSpot. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.agency and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!